Hi, beloveds. If you don't want people to like you only for your money, don't lead with your money. And if you want other people to like you for who you are, don't pretend to be someone that you're not. Society assigns us these roles, for example. If you're a man, you're supposed to do this and you're supposed to act that way. And if you're a woman, you're supposed to do this and you're supposed to act that way. And if you're LGBTQ+, half of society doesn't even know what you're supposed to be doing. And that's okay. But society socializes us to behave and believe certain things because it maintains the status quo of the power elite and the patriarchy. You are not socialized to be your own person, believe it or not. You are not socialized to behave independently, to think critically, or to even put your own needs and goals first. So even if, let's say, when you follow the assignment that society has scripted for you and you're not fulfilled, you're not happy, don't be surprised, because the script that society has for you, it was never meant to help you feel fulfilled or happy. That script was created to help you work for the powers that be and to be compliant and submissive to all of the injustice and inequality you see around you. So my point is this: if you genuinely want to feel fulfilled and happy, stop letting the powers that be author your story. Be who you are regardless of any social judgment. Believe and behave in ways that are authentic to you. And if society says that, let's say society says you shouldn't make the first move, but deep down you really know you want to, then do it. If society says that you should be happy, barefoot, and pregnant, but that sounds really unappealing, then don't do it. If you want to be a stay-at-home father while your partner works outside the home, but you're worried about what other people may think, just be that stay-at-home parent. So remember, it's your life and no one is going to live it for you. And so yes, absolutely, you are going to face pushback when you don't follow the rules. But this is the price you pay for deep, intrinsic fulfillment and joy. Most things that benefit you, most things that will change your life for the better, do not come easily. And neither does your fulfillment or your happiness. So think of it this way. When you follow the script that society has for you, you might not be happy inside and you're going to end up judging yourself. But when you become the author of your own story, other people will judge you. So either way, you're going to be judged by yourself or other people. So think about this. Do you care more about what others think about you, or do you care more about how you think about you? Both will be hard choices to make either way, so decide which choice will bring you the most long-term fulfillment and the most long-term joy. I hope you find that helpful. Take care and self-care. Bye-bye.